Headline: SUI loses $1 billion in market cap. Liquidity pools drained within hours of attack. Published at 11:48 a.m. UTC, May 23, 2025. Yesterday's attack on SUI's largest on-chain exchange, Cetus, threatened to cause $200 million, or even $1 billion worth of digital asset losses. An initial statement from SUI estimated the stolen dollar value at $223 million, although the value was in flux by the hour as prices moved and crime fighters froze contracts. Other researchers estimated $260 million was stolen from liquidity pools, which saw prices of several assets crash by over 99% during the attack. At its worst, the price of SUI dropped 8% within 3 hours of the attack, shedding over $1 billion in market cap. SUI-based tokens and stablecoins plummeted even further. Some liquidity pools lost over 99% of their assets amid the spoofing attack that manipulated Cetus's data feed operators, known as oracles, that attest to prices and timestamps. Subheading: A centralized response to decentralized theft. SUI says Cetus worked with the SUI Foundation, other protocols, and SUI's validators to track down some of the stolen funds. Validators censored transactions from their own blockchain in order to slow or prevent the laundering of the hackers' proceeds. Specifically, in order to pause funds from the heist, validators deployed code to allow an unsigned transaction to validate on SUI's blockchain using a special override. Because enough validators adopted the code that morning, the special transactions skipped over regular consensus checks and filters that other transactions would normally have to pass, freezing the hacked funds remotely. Third-party companies also assisted in the effort. Binance found an Ethereum address allegedly belonging to the hacker. Arkham's data indicates that the attacker is swapping some of the stolen SUI and USDC to Ether, ETH, to avoid censorship on SUI's blockchain. Just last week, Real Vision co-founder Raoul Pal was advertising SUI to his 1.2 million followers, saying that he had put 70% of his savings into the token. Some SUI fans celebrated its resilience in the wake of the attack, noting that its price recovered from the billion-dollar panic. Skeptics noted the ironic ease with which a $13 billion, ostensibly decentralized and supposedly permissionless network was able to coordinate with a global community of validators within moments of the attack. They blamed insiders for hiding their ability to just freeze assets at will and deploy a special override of consensus checks within minutes. This recording is AI-generated. Get more crypto news at protos.com.